Bitcoin and Ethereum, both coiled like a spring. And we're not just watching, we're locked in. We got an active long called in the trading room on Ethereum. We got a pending order in Bitcoin right off a textbook inverted head and shoulders pattern. And stick around because at the end of this video, we're spotlighting a coin that's flying under the radar right now, but it's got real world adoption, AI utility, and a massive upside. So let's get into it. Welcome back, Crypto Crew. It's your boy Tom here, bringing you the hottest in crypto action. If you like what you see, hit the like button. Make sure you hit subscribe and make sure you follow us on X, where we talk about crypto and Bitcoin all day, every day. All right, let's get into it. Let's talk about the trade that Justin placed in the live trading room. If you're not involved, you got to get involved in that. I'm going to show you actually on the WEEX account right here where we have the Ethereum trade and also the Bitcoin long pending as soon as it loads up. Let's look at open orders. We got right here open along in Bitcoin at 104.6480 with a stop at 101.825.90, a take profit at 110.828.60. Now I'm going to come over to his chart right here where he highlighted the trade and exactly what he's expecting. All right, we talked about the 106. I just want to show you this. Hopefully I got that chart up right here. We talked about the 106 as being like a resistance level, a magnet to pull us up and down from. We're actually hoping that this actually rejection gets us into our long trade right here. What he's really looking to do, in my opinion, is he's looking to scoop the coin right around that 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. Now, it's not a blind entry. This is a precision trade based off of a high probability reversal pattern. And that reversal pattern is boom, inverted head and shoulders. That's what we're looking at, okay? So what we got here, Frank has highlighted for us, we got the left shoulder has been completed, okay? The head is locked in. The breakout line right now sits around 113,000. So the right shoulder right now is loading. So we're actually hoping to get involved on another deeper retrace for ourselves at that, that price base that he has at 104,064. And he's actually expecting, obviously, not to go near his stop, or else we wouldn't have taken the trade. We would have sat out on the sidelines a little bit. But right now, the right shoulder is loading. The neckline sits right around 113,000, right around here. Okay, right around there. If we get that, once that breaks, we're targeting a move up towards 140,000. Now, there's going to be a lot of to and fro. There's some resistance at 116, 118, 120, and so on. But overall, we're looking, once this thing breaks, it's going to use this level right here at, say, like 111, 110 as support to catapult us up to that 140,000. Now, I want to show you another chart right here. As retail basically freaked out last week, MACD quietly flipped bullish, right? Just look at it right here. The MACD actually quietly flips bullish. There's no lower low. There's no breakdown. There's just silence. The price structure is still intact. As always, breakouts don't come with noise. They come with silence. Now, more proof or more reason why we're so hyped up on being long is if we look at the Bitcoin halving cycle right here. Okay, what happened? Well, in 2017, blow off top late in the year. 2021 was the same story. 2025 is playing out perfectly. We're not we're not even close to the top yet. Okay, so the top is not in. The big wave comes after the hype dies down, and we're still really early. So ask yourself, are you on the rocket ship? Or you're watching from the ground? Now, one final point before we want to talk about the Bitcoin market makers map right here, the Bitcoin market maker model, okay? The market maker model gives us a roadmap to follow. Distribution, not yet. Blow off top, still ahead. We're climbing the final slope, and the market makers are prepping to dump. But They're looking to dump around 180,000. Okay, so you know, when we're up there, we will re-alert you to this, that potentially we got to take profits, because when the masses are euphoric and the ride the smart money's path, you got to just understand when euphoria hits. Okay, that's when things actually just get crushed, because that's when all the big boys come in and unload. So we got Bitcoin market maker model in play. We're nowhere near the top yet. We will alert you to it. Now I want to go back over to Ethereum, where we're showing Justin's long. Okay, Ethereum broke above the 2,700, had the pullback. We got involved near the support zone. Justin went long Ethereum on his trade. It's already active. It's trading right now. I showed you on WEEX, which is our broker of choice, that position that is now active. So let's look at position one. We're in Ethereum long, average entry price 2,636. Okay, we're really looking for this thing to go to 3,700, 3,800. We got a tight stop loss on it. Okay, so if you haven't joined the trading room, you got to get involved in the trading room. It's bloody free. Okay? If you don't like it, what do you want? Your money back? It's free. All right? So let's just get over to that coin that I told you that I wanted to spotlight. All right? And we have the X post right here. All right? Let's talk alpha. Everyone's looking at meme coins. Meanwhile, HBAR just locked in 233 billion deal. Okay? And it's backed by NVIDIA and Intel. And here's what they're building: AI governance tools for governments. Can't go wrong with that. Okay, real world utility, not vaporware. Public sector adoption is underway. Nobody's paying attention, but we are, and we're here to tell you that H bar is not going to stay low for long. This is our opinion, okay? We believe that this is a really good coin to get involved with. It's right now it's a low investment value, and we think it's got huge potential, in our opinion. Okay, so I just want to tell you before we wrap up, crew. What I want to show you is the trading community. Click here. This is what I've been talking about. This is where you can get involved in all the lives. You'll be taken over to this site where, in this room, completely free, we're dropping insane alpha and trading opportunities, breakout setups, long-term gems. We got you covered. You want to follow our trades with a solid broker? Well, I've been highlighting this broker. He's awesome. The broker is awesome. You just click this link right here. You'll be taken over to good old WEEX. This broker is perfect for our trading style. It is low fees, fast execution, and like I said in a couple of videos, they got us out at Bitcoin where I didn't see Bitcoin print on other brokers. So really, they're no nonsense. They're really highly professional. So that's it for today, crew. It's Sunday. Think about the things that we've been talking to you about. Make sure you get involved in the trading room. So for just the update, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're both coiled. They're ready to move. We are trying to get in ahead of the curve. Stay sharp, stay in position. Keep your eyes on that H bar, okay? And remember, always, always, always do your own research. Make sure you trade with your head, not over it. And as a short-term trader, enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.